How y'all doing, guys? It's Gary Blitzel here. Once again, we at this crossroad. We're at this crossroad again. Another black man killed at the hand of police. And you know, this is just getting played out. It's 2020. And you know what kills me the most? This is what hurts. I just have to tell you guys this. What hurts me the most is when people are more concerned about how we are protesting, how we are angry, how we are upset, to be able to see our kids, our family, our friends that are black, that are minorities, getting killed senselessly over some BS, getting shot in the back 7 times. And you got the nerve to worry about how we protesting and not focus on why we protesting. Why are we protesting? We're protesting out of anger because we tired of this. We tired of this. This is getting played out. You know, I want to know, what do we have to do? White America, what do we have to do? Police, what do we have to do? We've learned to put our hands up. We've learned to say yes, sir, yes, ma'am. We've learned to put the keys on the dashboard, cut the engine off, cut on all the lights. We've learned to do that, and it's not working for us. So what's next? What's next? You know, I gotta constantly give my sons, I gotta give my daughter the talk over and over and over and over again. Watch when you interact with police, when you interact with white people, just be careful. Try to be, very respectful. We always got to put on a pretend hat, a pretend face, a pretend attitude. We can never be who we really are. We always got to watch out. When is this going to stop? I have a philosophy of when at least it may have a little bit of stopping this. So we vote this guy out because all this guy, the president, all he's doing is he's stoking this. I mean, the nerve to have a couple, to have 2 white people that were brandishing guns at Black Lives peaceful protesters, Black Lives Matter peaceful protesters. See, I'm so upset. I'm not even sounding right. He had the nerve to have them speak at his convention. Yo, what is going on, America? Let's get this guy out of here. We don't need no distraction. We don't need no people out there. None of our people, none of my black people, please don't be out there trying to distract us, saying all this dumb stuff about, what they gonna do for us, No. Let's at least make a start. Let's get this guy out of here. Because I'm getting tired of keep having to talk with my sons. I'm getting tired of having to talk with my daughters. Because another black person is dead at the hand of racism. No distractions. Let's get the right people in office so that could be a start for us, guys. I hope this helps somebody. Please hear me, because this is ridiculous. This is getting ridiculous. We matter. Black people matter. All lives can't matter until black, brown, yellow, whatever other version you want out there ain't gonna matter till we all in there. So just say it, Black Lives Matter, and stop killing us. Thanks.